She put this in her hair. You cannot imagine what happened after. Pineapple is known for its great taste and beautiful color, but it is also said to be a very positive product in many beauty and everyday tricks. After extensive research on the internet, I found a number of recommendations, which involve the use of pineapple in the hair. And I have written down many tips and then share them with you. Have you ever had pineapple in your hair? I encourage you to share your comments with us, as well as other alternative uses that are useful for use with pineapple. When you try these tips and tricks, remember to consult your doctor before taking a new medication. Fight dandruff. The use of pineapple to combat dandruff is a two-step process. 1. First, you need to mix pineapple juice with your usual shampoo and apply it to your scalp in the normal way while you shower. Once the mixture has rested for a few minutes, rinse thoroughly. Then massage the mixture of pineapple and warm water into the scalp and let it work for 15 minutes. Again, rinse, and then dry your hair with a towel. Pineapple contains micronutrients that are used in many anti-dandruff shampoos. The big difference between expensive shampoos and pineapple is that pineapple is much more effective. So why not take advantage of this? But pineapple can also be used for these things. 1. As a laundry detergent. It is very difficult to remove sweat stains, especially white shirts. Fortunately, there is pineapple. Crush pineapple and add a little water until a paste is formed. Now rub it over the stains just before you put them in the washing machine. You will love how well this trick works. 2. Skin problems. It has often been proven that pineapple has calming effects on acne breakouts and psoriasis. So you can enjoy these benefits. Stir pineapple juice in half a cup of warm water. Mix thoroughly until dissolved. Now you can apply the mixture on the affected areas of the skin, and very soon you will feel relief.